Hey everybody, so me and Grunkle Billy came down to the storage space and I wanted to, do a few things to the Harley. The big thing was I swapped batteries with a brand new buddy of mine. It's another J-name guy. I'm not gonna say his name, but anyway, so he gave me a battery. It's a AGM battery. It's gonna be much smaller than the original Harley battery, so I wanted to try that. And then I put on my chain guard. So let's take you a walk around and show you what I did, and let's see if the bike starts. Man, I'm hoping this would be sick. All right, we'll see you in a minute. All right, guys. So here we put the chain guard on. I was like, where does this thing mount? Well, one mounts over here, and I was like, I couldn't find the other mount. If you look, it's right down here. There's a little spacer, and it mounts in there. I had to pull it back a little bit, straighten it out to get it away from the tire. Now I got like a finger in the, about half a finger between the tire and it. So, and then over here, let's show you the battery, the bateria. So you can see it's this is like a 20 amp AGM battery. It's a, I don't know, Renegade Extreme or something. I don't know what it is. Anyway, so I got this all kind of just sitting here, and I've got the output of the starter relay that comes with the computer box, computer brain. I got that jumped down to the starter solenoid, the trigger. Right. So all we got to do now is turn it on and hit that button. Here, Grunkle Billy. There you go. All right, you guys ready? Oh man, I'm nervous. It's a good thing I pulled the plugs off too. There's no gas in it, but all right. So key on. Okay. All right. So here we go. You guys ready? Oh hell yeah! Awesome. That's awesome. So we're ready to go. The next thing, we got the tank and my fuel filter and some lines and everything. But man, she's cranking, which means we're just about ready. I added oil to the oil tank. The only thing I didn't add was the oil for the transmission yet. I'm still kind of nervous about my clutch. It works, but it's popped off that ramp a few times in there, and I didn't really want to fill it with oil and then have an issue. So I don't need to put the oil in to run it. Won't drive it. And of course, Mr. J always says, once the thing starts, you're going to want to hop on and ride it. I'm sure I will, but I'm not, if we're at that point, then I'll just pour the oil in. Fuck it. It wasn't really that much. So, but that's about it. We got her cranking. She's running. We're getting all the little last bits together. There is one issue that I want to show you guys. Here, let me show you. Is this brake rod. You can see how close we are. Oh, well, you can see how close we are to this bracket. I put these, if you can see in there, I put these like shaft collar locks on there. Well, I've got one. I don't think I can get you in there. There's one of those on the outside, but it's right on the inside of this. You can just barely see it. My finger's touching it. We need this whole brake shaft rod to go, this way towards the driver's side of the bike, just a little bit. And that'll be about it. And then we got to put the exhaust back on. I'm not using the kickstart because the kickstart interferes with my my drag pipes. All right, guys. So that's it. She's cranking. It's gonna run very soon. So stay tuned. All right. We'll see you guys in the next one. Easy. Two things.